Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out with painting shulker boxes in Minecraft. Shulker boxes are a very interesting item. It spawns from mobs that you kill, the shulker mob in the end dimension of course. Then all you have to do is get a chest and 2 shulker shells and you can craft the shulker box. But you can craft it in pretty much any color. And I'll show you how to get the paint and how to paint it itself. So getting the paint is actually shockingly easy. You just want to collect some flowers. So for the sake of this video I'll make an orange shulker box. So we're just gonna grab a yellow and a red flower right here. You can do this in your inventory, but let's go to the crafting table just for the looks of it. Then what you want to do is craft the flower into paint, craft the paint into each other to make the orange one, then put the shulker box in and you'll get the orange shulker box and you'll have one orange paint to spare as well. So this is how it looks. I think this is a very cute color right here, the orange shulker box. It's pretty much my favorite color in the game. And yeah, you can store whatever you want in here. Just pick it up after and yeah. That's how you paint shulker boxes in Minecraft. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.